Now is the time. Now we build. Now we take back what they stole. Now we own the code. I will teach you to build anything online using only a free Cloudflare and free AI encoding tools. All you need is a computer and your imagination, a free Cloudflare account, and a free AI coding tool. The time is now.
Hey, so this right here is called Reasonix. Reasonix, you can just type in Reasonix to Google and you'll find it. You download it. It's an app on your computer. No matter what your computer is doing, you download it. I'm on my Mac. And this is made by DeepSeek. Right now, this is the cheapest. I mean, it's costing me 1 cent to do a ton of different stuff in this. I have made a ton of different things that are insanely cheap, some that I have messed up on, and then it was still really cheap, 67 cents. And I made a whole business operating system using this. This is the most powerful and fastest way to be able to do anything. And all you really need to do is, I'll show you here real quickly. So open up a new project, go to an existing folder. Now, this is your computer, okay? So just go to your home. Let's just say this is my home. And then you would want to create a folder in here, and that's where all the code's gonna live. That's where essentially your website would live if you don't host it anywhere, because you can, whatever you build, like you have an app idea or you need a website or you need whatever you need to do, you would have it live on your computer inside of a folder. And then you would just choose the folder that you want to work in, and then you would simply just come down here and say, okay, now build me an app. What I recommend is you start out in planning mode, and then you give it a full verification delivery, meaning you tell it to go make a plan for this idea. So then you can start very simple and you can say, hey, this is an idea that I have, go make this idea. It will create a plan. Now you have different options here like YOLO, which basically will bypass any asking you. So YOLO will approve everything and skip ordinary tool permission prompts. Because if you do this, it'll ask you a bunch of stuff back and forth. And for planning, sometimes that's really good, sometimes it's worth it. And then you have two different models you can choose from. The Pro is a little bit more expensive. For almost everything that most people are going to do, you don't need to do anything with the Pro. You can use the Flash, and it's absolutely insanely cheap. It's amazing. And then you have different options for the level of how much it'll actually put effort into it based off of whatever you're trying to do. So like just today, this one costs 53 cents. This is a full automation for applying to jobs, right? That's a whole working automation that's applying to jobs. That costs 53 cents. What did I do in this one? I had to clean up my computer and kind of do some stuff. That cost $1.70 because I got a really big computer and I got a lot of stuff going on in here. This was a video production pipeline that makes videos really cool. I have some examples of that. That cost 45 cents. So you can see some things can cost more, some things can cost less. This was $5 because this is a huge project that basically does a ton of automation and has a lot of back end to it. And it completed it all successfully. It's actually amazing. But as you can see, the endless potentials of whatever you can do if your imagination. And then the last key component is getting it to go live. So then that is where Cloudflare comes into play, which is basically a way for you. It's a CDN, content delivery network, right? So it's a way for you to get your ideas into the internet so they can be accessible. So like you just need a domain name like these, right? And then you will connect that to Reasonix here. And you can just tell it, help me connect to Cloudflare, and it will tell you everything to do. It can even take over your browser and do it all. Once you get it connected and it has access to Cloudflare, then it can go and actually attach any of your ideas, any of your apps, any of your websites to any domain name that you have. And you can just purchase a domain name right in Cloudflare right here. It's like one of the cheapest two online. I think it's like $11, something like that. And then you're off to the races and you can build anything that you want insanely cheap, the cheapest on the internet, in my opinion, right now, the cheapest possibility, because DeepSeek is so insanely inexpensive and so highly effective. So definitely check that out. Hit me in the comments. Of course, I do private coaching, and I have an agency where I build out complete automations for businesses. If you don't have automations running yet, obviously you need that. So hit me up. And if you want to learn, if you want coaching, this is what I do. So holler at me if you really want to master everything online and be able to crank out any idea or really make some money by helping businesses solve problems. That is definitely what I do. Hit me up in the comments, check the links in the descriptions. Otherwise, thanks for joining me in this video. See you in the next one.
Join me in the revolution. Stop renting software and start building your own. Businesses need your help. The American economy needs your help. Go to Mikey.ai and master building anything online, using free tools and your imagination. And never rent software again.